on its power level. It's over 9,000! What, 9,000? Perfect!
Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today, what I have for everyone is another unboxing and first impressions for everyone. So, I'm sure y'all could see it in the video. I'm sure y'all read it in the title. But today, what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy M20. Yes, y'all. Yes. I finally was able to get it in. We're gonna put this bad boy through its paces, and I'm gonna give you guys and gals my honest opinions of it. But before we can get to all that and get to the review process, camera samples, video samples, all that good stuff, we gotta get this bad boy out the box and see what it do. Now, spoiler, I already cracked it off camera just to charge it up, sign into everything, and drop it into the main homepage. Then I killed all the updates because I know some of you guys and gals like to see the available storage right out of the box. Okay, so I did all of that, and then I boxed it back up. So that's literally the only thing that I've done. I haven't even gotten the chance to play around with it at all yet because I wanted to make this video as authentic as possible. Alright, so without further ado, let's unbox this bad boy and get into the first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy M20. Alright, now, starting off, talking about the packaging first, I have to say I really do like this packaging. Big, bold picture of the device up front. Got some branding up here, M20, so you know what model it is. And y'all can see down here, this is the, I don't know how well y'all can see it, but this is the SM M205M-DS model, and this is in ocean blue. So really good stuff. That seems like a pretty good color, to tell y'all the truth. Now if there's any sensitive information on this box, I'll go ahead and gray it out. But this presentation is really nice, really good presentation. But we're not going to talk about the specs here because we're going to dive into all of these specs in the full review. Alright, so just giving y'all a quick walk around of the box. Okay, taking the lid off here, or the sleeve. Got this little divider piece here, and I believe this does have all our books in it and whatnot. So let me just double check. Yep, quick start guide, warranty card, all our books is in here. Probably not going to read that. Throw this off to the side real quick. And here we have the device right here. Alright, gonna come back to the device in a second. And let's see, got our charging brick right here. I do believe this is supposed to be a quick charge charging brick. Let me get that close up for y'all so y'all can read that information. Now it's really hard for me to see from behind the camera, so if this is unclear, I'll take a shot of it afterwards and throw it up in post. But yeah, that's the charging brick. Pretty much basic charging brick here, and it does have imprinted on it adaptive fast charge. Now I know the camera not gonna pick that up too well, but you can see it is adaptive fast charge, and I believe these devices are supposed to have 15-watt fast charge, so it should be fast charge. Then we got our SIM removal tool. Now I got a bunch of SIM removal tools, so that's probably gonna stay in the box. And we have our micro USB Type-C cable, as y'all can see right there. Again, got a bunch of USB Type-C cables, so that's probably gonna stay in the box. And this charger probably gonna stay in the box too, because I got a bunch of chargers. So if I ever do decide to get rid of this down the line, all of this stuff is going to look exactly like how it came in the box, because it's going right back in the box. Alright, I'll fix that later. But that's the real quick unboxing for y'all. Put this stuff all off to the side here, and we'll walk around the device. Then get into the first impressions. Alright, and y'all already know I picked this up via Amazon. I'm a really big Amazon user, really big Amazon affiliate. So I picked this up via Amazon. Y'all already know. So let's take the tape off of here. I'm going to be quiet now. And that's that. Don't really do that too often, but I know there's some people that like that, so it is what it is. And here is the device. Wow. It's a big display up front, y'all. Wow. Flipping it over to the back, let's do a quick walk around. We got dual cameras on here. Now, I do believe one of these is supposed to be a primary, and one of these is supposed to be a wide angle. We'll get more in-depth into that stuff as we go through the review process. Got our flash. Got our always active fingerprint sensor. Down here, got our USB Type-C, headphone jack, speaker grill. Good stuff. Power button, volume rockers. Everything smooth on here, so no ridges. Alright. Up front here, we got our display, front facing camera. And it does have that notch, or my bad, Infinity V display, but it's a notch, y'all. We already know what it is. Teardrop notch, Infinity V notch. You call it what you want to call it. Alright. So, let's get into these first impressions now. And y'all can see I do have an update waiting on me. But I wanted y'all to see the available storage out the box. Now, that being said, let's check the fingerprint sensor real quick. I did set that up. So tap on it, launches it right in. So really fast fingerprint sensor. Let's check that one more time. Tapping on it and we right in. So really quick. Really quick. And this is how it looks when you setting it up out the box. Okay. So this is that look. Alright. So I see they've already went with the new icons. Now I've already checked. This is running Android 8.0 Oreo. But I do believe it has a system update which is going to bring it to 9.0 Pi. But yeah, now getting into the first impressions, y'all, I have to say it's really smooth, and I'm actually a big fan of these bigger icons. And when I get the update to Pi, I'm really gonna enjoy the gestures. Now I've already done videos on the One UI, so I already know a lot about it. But this is gonna be one of my latest devices, so I will upgrade this to Android 9.0 Pi with the One UI. Yeah. Now, let me show y'all the storage. Y'all can see it's already themed out with the new look, but it is running on the older software. Let me show y'all the storage real quick. So come in here into device maintenance, and then we're going to just tap on storage. So right here, you can see this is the 32GB model, and this one has 3 gigs of RAM. Now, I know what I said in my videos before. I said that you should only be going for the 4GB RAM model, 64GB storage model. But got a really good deal on this, and I got a really good deal on something else that y'all are going to see on the channel, and I figured why not. So we're going to put the 332 variant through its paces and see if it's going to work out. But that's so y'all can see the available storage out the box. So it's using 10 gigs of space out the box. Alright, and we have 21 gigs available. Alright, I gotta change the screen timeout too, because it's timing out pretty fast. But that's the available storage out the box. Alright, yeah. But first impressions with it, now literally I haven't done anything, and it's constantly trying to download apps. Now I'm letting it go with the Google apps, but I've stopped everything else. But first impressions, I gotta tell you guys, I like the display. The display looks good. I think this is a 1080p panel, AMOLED panel. I'll verify all this information in the full review. I like the display. The overall size of it seems pretty good. Alright. The main thing that I'm interested in here are these cameras. I want to see what this wide angle camera is looking like and what the primary sensor camera can do. So I'm really interested in that, but we're going to get into that. We're going to do all the camera tests and all that. That being said, guys and gals, this pretty much does it for my unboxing and first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy M20. And real quick, I did want to show you guys real quick, because I was able to pick up the dual SIM variant. So let me pop out my SIM ejection tool and show y'all that this bad boy does have dual SIMs. And then we'll wrap the video up. Now, I also want to let y'all know that I will not be reviewing this right away. because I have a whole bunch of things backlogged that I'm supposed to cover on the channel. So I will not be getting to this full review of this device right away. But, wow, why is it so difficult to do behind the camera? But I will, from this day forward, be using these cameras on this device that y'all see in this video as the primary producer for videos on the channel. So y'all will get an idea of just how good these cameras are. So that right there, you can see we do have dual SIMs and a dedicated micro SD card slot. And from what I gather, this is supposed to be GSM unlocked, so it should work. Now I'm going to test it out. It should work on AT&T and T-Mobile and any of their MVNOs. So Metro PCS, Cricket Wireless, so on and so forth. Any GSM carrier running on T-Mobile or AT&T's network, it should work with this device. Now, y'all already know I got Free Up Mobile, so we'll be testing it in here. And I have Text Now T-Mobile. Free Up Mobile is on AT&T and Text Now is on T-Mobile. So I'll be testing both of those carriers with this device. Alright, so that pretty much does it for this unboxing and first impressions, guys and gals. If you guys and gals enjoyed the video, y'all know what to do. Please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you want to see more content like this, including all of my coverage on the Samsung Galaxy M20, feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. If this video piqued your interest and you would like to know where I picked up this model for myself, all the links to where I picked up this device. Wow, I'm super excited back here. I can barely talk. All the links to where you guys and gals can pick up this device at some really good prices will be available down below in the video description. So if your interest is piqued, as always, down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright, this whole video here today was recorded using the rear-facing 12 megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy S7 Active in 1:1 ratio, so 1440p by 1440p. Dang, the excitement is killing me. In the 1:1 aspect ratio. Okay, all the audio for this video here today was recorded using the Comica V30 Lite shotgun style microphone, and I am using the Auto Billow wide angle lens clipped onto the 12 megapixel S7 active camera. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality and audio quality down below in the comments. Okay, and let me know what y'all think of this ratio. Okay, I'm trying to mix it up with different ratios. I might be posting videos on different platforms, so I'm trying up different recording things. We're trying to mix it up a little bit. Let me know what y'all think. Anyway, I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Whoo! Yes. Okay, yes. I can't wait to start using this boy. We really gonna put these cameras through the paces. And that battery. Whew, this bad boy's supposed to have that 5,000. Should have battery for days in here. Woo! Okay, let's get to it. Have a good one, everybody. Peace. Alright, hey y'all. I just wanted to show you real quick that I put my Text Now T-Mobile SIM in here, and I don't know how well you can see it, but if you look right there in the corner, we got LTE, and then if I swipe down from the top, y'all can see that bad boy says T-Mobile right there. Now disregard that sign in to network. That's just because of how bad my T-Mobile coverage is here in the house, but I was able to get on the internet and I was able to make phone calls with my Text Now T-Mobile SIM in, no problem. So T-Mobile works on this device, no problem. Now let's switch to the other SIM just to double check that that works. So I'll be right back. Now again, I'm not keeping these SIMs in here, but I'm just showing y'all that you can get them to work inside of here. And I'll attach this to the end of the unboxing and first impressions. So T-Mobile works on here, no problem. Alright, now let's switch to the Free Up Mobile and see if AT&T is going to work on here, no problem. So I'll be right back. Alright, so now I wanted to again show y'all real quickly. Now I have both SIM cards in. And this time I have the free up mobile SIM set as the main SIM. So let me show you. Let's tap, let's unlock. Y'all can see up in the corner there, it says LTE. I'm getting my notifications. And if I swipe down, y'all can see free up mobile right there. Okay. Now, like I said, T-Mobile in my area gets really bad coverage. So y'all can see it was working when I swapped the SIMs. When I swapped the other SIM in front, now it's not working. It's telling me emergency phone calls only. But I'm sure as I walk around the house, that T-Mobile SIM will go on and off. But y'all can see right there, free up mobile is working, and we do have LTE. And then let me just show you real quick. So I checked it out already. I launched the website, but let's clear all just so y'all can see it in real time. Let's go to Google Chrome. And you can see it loads up. Boom. That's all on data. Again, Wi-Fi is not on, as y'all can see. Let's try the YouTube app itself. All on data yet again. You can see, loads right up. All on data, okay? TechRant got another poll out. Alright, I'll have to check that out later. Alright, so just so y'all can see, the T-Mobile SIM is working and the free up mobile AT&T SIM is working. And you can see I got both SIMs in there. And this is how I got it set up. So SIM number 1 is the AT&T SIM. And that's for data only. SIM number 2 is for talk and text. That's how that works. Alright. Because if y'all don't know, I actually downgraded my Text Now T-Mobile plan to just talk and text. But I still get all of my notifications, even though I don't have a data plan with them. It still pushes through all of my notifications, so I will get all of my notifications, no problem. I just won't be able to get on data without having data paid for. Alright? But I will still get LTE, even though it's not actually pulling down any data with the Text Now T-Mobile SIM. But I am getting data and talk and text with free up mobile from AT&T. So, just so y'all know, because y'all know I wanted to keep it straight 100 around here. So y'all can see both SIMs is in there. Now, I'm not going to tap on it because I don't want to give y'all my numbers. Don't want to put my numbers on blast. But it is what it is. Just wanted to show y'all real quick. And I did drop an SD card in here. So it's just waiting for me to transfer over the stuff. You can see, tap to transfer. So we good to go. This bad boy is all set up now. And it's going to be the main production device for the channel moving forward. And I'm going to run through and put all the software updates on it. And we're going to start using it to record the videos. Alright, sorry y'all. I know this one's going to be super long. But y'all know I'm a very in-depth individual. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this unboxing and first impressions. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. Man, that display look good. We out.
It's over 9,000! What, 9,000? Perfect!